Hello my beautiful nail lovers, welcome back to my channel. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time and location. You're highly welcome to Usihe Lounge. If you're new here, you're most welcome once again to this amazing channel. So if you're just coming across my channel for the first time, please kindly do well to subscribe to this channel and also turn on your bell notification so that you don't get to miss our subsequent videos. You guys, this channel got you covered for anything latest nail designs and hairstyles. So if you want to stay updated, you want to stand out, kindly do well to join us today. I'll be glad you did. Thank you so much for joining us. So my ladies, as you can see, today we have carefully selected cute and elegant acrylic nail designs for my ladies, medium-sized nail designs for gorgeous ladies. You guys watching this video, you're gonna be discovering a lot of amazing nail designs. We have them in different nail shapes, different nail arts, different beautiful design that you definitely love. Okay, so do watch it from beginning to the end to select your most loved ones, and also remember to share to your loved ones. And if this is not actually what you want, maybe you're looking for a particular nail design, why not go into the channel? We have varieties, we have a lot of beautiful videos on nails. If you're also looking for hairstyles, why not just go into the channel and explore more beautiful designs in our channel. Thank you so much, and please, as you watch our video, kindly do well to support us by liking the video, share and comment. We'll be waiting for your lovely comment in the comment section. God bless you guys, and see you on our next video. Bye.